Hope everybody had a great weekend. Mine was pretty good. Of staring at walls and just watching TV and getting to go outside of my yard and not anywhere else. So I'm sure you have one of those as well. If you have, thank you for being safe and staying at home. We just had our cases up to 9 as of right now. Probably going to be higher in the next few days. So let's go ahead and get into what we're going to be doing. By the way, this is going to be a pretty short video as far as notes, and we'll talk about why that is. Last time we were talking about the arms race, and you can see us and the Soviets going at it against each other. Now, what we didn't get to is one of these questions. Speaking of these questions, you will see them here shortly. Matter of fact, today on your test, because the new test will go up. And I believe it's 30 questions, all multiple choice. You'll get a chance to go ahead and do your best 3 times. So we're going to go ahead and work on that. So with this question, the CIA participated in the Cold War by, well, carrying out secret operations in other countries. And the KGB and LM did the same thing to us. So I said the test was around 30 questions. As you can see, we're up to 18 here. So just by going through these videos, you should be able to get 18 of them at least right at this point. So the last thing we really need to talk about as far as notes go is the citizens and their means of trying to deal with these bombs. And a lot of things start to happen. Start to see a lot of these fallout shelters. Matter of fact, Tabor City, I believe it's elementary or middle school, was one of these fallout shelters. Go in Coach Bird's room, he's actually got one of these metalized posters of this that was there at that school. Also, when we're in school, we practice fire drills, maybe the occasional tornado drill or something like that. Kids back then, they were practicing these duck and cover drills. And what they were told to do is basically all in an instant get underneath your desk or whatever you can and cover yourself up. Now, this was only trying to make these kids feel better. Um, in the case of an actual bomb going off, it's not really going to be all that effective. But it did make people feel just a little bit better. And the last thing we need to know about are these fallout shelters. People would set these up as a means of trying to prepare or trying to shield themselves from an atomic weapon or some kind of a nuclear fallout, whatever the case may be. We've seen them here recently in popular culture with the video games of Fallout. We see them sometimes in movies. Matter of fact, if you've got a boatload of money, go check this link out, and it will show you some of the most expensive bomb shelters in which you can get into today. So, with all that being said, that is the end of notes. I'm just going to go over a couple of things in which we're going to be working on the rest of the first thing you should see in your assignments. We've went through 18 of those questions. There will be another 12 questions that we have not covered as far as the video and notes and stuff like that. You're going to work on that test. Also, again, with our review test, a new one has been uploaded. That's the World War One test. So those two things will be due by the end of the week. On a good thing, Friday is Good Friday, so no work will go out that day. You guys take the day off. I'm going to take the day off. Who knows what we'll do? Probably look at more walls and watch more TV and keep writing in your journals. Those have been really good that I've seen and read. Many of you still got to get them in. Speaking of late work, uh, get it to me, please. I mean, I'm not at this point going to take any points away for late work. However, though, I was told don't do any work, don't get credit. Do the work, get credit. So let's remember that. Do the work, let's get credit. Let's go ahead and get out of here and try to get back to things being normal in August. Hopefully, anyways. Things are not going to be back to normal in August if you are missing a couple credits or 1 credit or 2 credits. This we've been trying to really work with you. We care about you. We love you. We miss you. But in the meantime, let's get some work done. Let's try to make it through this. We can all do it. If you need anything, get up with me through the messenger. Don't know where the messenger is, little thing right here. I can click it and people have been messaging me like crazy. Email me. You can also go into your materials. Well, not your materials, but your updates. You can see that you've had updates. If you need the class remind codes, they are there. Look for them, find them, add me and remind. Most of you have been doing this. Uh, if you're having trouble getting to your grades, if you go here to your course, you should be able to see, if you're doing it on a cell phone, you might have to look for a little bit more. You should be able to see your material. If you go to materials, it will show you everything that's due or everything that's working because Schoology, for some reason, has been having a lot of issues this week. And I'm pretty sure we're going to get some for the next few days during a few hours. That's the good thing. It was several hours. Now it's confined down to just 1, maybe 2 hours out of the day. If you're having trouble, you can go to your gradebook. I'm not going to click on the gradebook because it's going to show who's done the work and who's not done the work, and I don't want to put any people on blast that way. But yeah, you can find this stuff. If you have not been able to do any work, let me know the reason so we can work with you. Become very flexible. We're here for you. We care about you. Like I said, we love you. I definitely miss you because I'm tired of doing things this way. I would rather take my tail to South Columbus every single day compared to doing this. All right, that's it. Take care. You have a new video. We'll start new notes tomorrow. Well, Tuesday. You may be watching this one a little early because I'm going to upload it on Sunday night. So, other than that, take care, stay safe, stay home.